Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by powering on your Oculus Quest 3 and putting on the headset. Ensure your Quest 3 has at least 50% battery or is plugged into a charger. Next, open the Settings menu by pressing the Oculus button and selecting Quick Settings. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network with at least 5 Mbps speed to avoid interruptions. Also confirm storage space and note that typical update sizes range between 200 and 600 MB. Leave the headset idle and do not restart during the preparation steps. Open Settings and select System, then choose Software Update to check for available updates. If an update appears, tap Download to begin retrieving the files. The download progress will show a percentage and estimated time remaining. Wait until the download reaches 100% before starting the installation. After download completes, choose Install and allow the headset to reboot automatically. Do not remove power or disconnect Wi-Fi while the update installs and reboots the system. Monitor installation until the headset returns to the home environment. After the headset reboots, open Settings and go to About to verify the firmware version number. Confirm the new version matches the expected release notes or update number. Test your apps and controllers to ensure connectivity and performance are normal. If you encounter glitches, perform a soft restart by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Try resetting Wi-Fi or reinstalling the update if the issue continues. Contact Oculus support only after confirming the firmware version and attempting basic restarts and network troubleshooting steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.